Hey, so I actually found this incredibly annoying, so I wanted to post this as a quick tutorial guide for anybody who's in the same position. So in Chrome, I noticed my tab group. So you can see up here, I have this billing tab group, but I cannot find my other tab groups. Where are my other tab groups? I'm looking around, and so I go up to view. And I make sure that always show bookmarks bar is checked. And even if I uncheck it, oh, now it's working. That's funny. It wasn't before, but where they're supposed to be is right here in the corner. And I did create another profile in Chrome to see, okay, this is working. It's not my computer. So this is the secret sauce to get it working again. So if your Chrome tabs go missing, and you're in my position, what I want you to do is right click or on a trackpad, like I have on a laptop, it's two finger click, or you can hold control on your keyboard and then click, and you get options. And all the way down at the bottom here, you get an option to show tab groups. When you select that, now all of a sudden, all of your tab groups come back and happy days. And even if you click the four icons here, now you can see all of the tab groups have come back and they work as expected. But jumping around into view, going into tab, I really couldn't find it anywhere. So I'm hoping that this helps somebody somewhere out there. Thanks for watching. And oh, subscribe for more tips, tech tips and tricks. I like to dig through and find unique things. And I also like people to feel less stressed about their tech. Thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff.